Boarding pass. Baggage. Check-in. Departure. Arrival. Gate. Security check. Customs. Immigration. Duty-free. Lounge. Runway. Taxiway. Air traffic control. Baggage claim. Connection. Jet bridge. Luggage cart. Airline. At the airport. Going to the airport can be a bit overwhelming, especially if you've never been there before. However, knowing some basic airport vocabulary can make your experience a lot easier. First, you'll need to go to the terminal, which is the building where you'll arrive and depart at the airport. When you're ready to board the plane, you'll need to have your boarding pass, which is the ticket that you need to get on the plane. It's important to keep this ticket safe and handy, as you'll need to show it multiple times throughout the process. You'll also need to bring baggage with you, which is the items you bring with you on the plane. When you arrive at the airport, you'll need to go through check-in, which is the process of verifying your ticket and sending your baggage to be loaded onto the plane. After check-in, you'll need to go through security check, which is the process of checking your person and your baggage for anything that might be dangerous or prohibited. This is an important step in ensuring everyone's safety on the plane. When it's time for your flight, you'll need to go to the gate, which is the door that your plane will depart from. The gate is usually listed on your boarding pass and will be displayed on screens throughout the terminal. Once you arrive at your destination, you'll need to go through arrival, which is the process of leaving the plane and entering the terminal. You'll then need to go to baggage claim, which is the area where you can retrieve your baggage.